Good evening all. I have an issue. I have this autocast. It works nicely. I've recently purchased this product. Yep, that little product. Now what happens is light comes on, as you can see. Then, sorry for the wait, it shows it's activating. It's a Mercedes 2017 A-Class, if you're asking what car am I trying it on. Then it boots it out. This is what it's been doing for the last few days that I've had this product. Please, can somebody help me with this issue, as it is very annoying. I don't have any issue with this. As I said, this works perfectly. All you have to do is just put a mouse on if you ain't got a touchscreen, and you're done. But this little baby don't want to work. Please help. Yeah, that's the one. Blah blah. That flashes green, as you can see. Stops, comes back. I really don't know what the problem is. Somebody with this technology could help me. Oh, I've been here too long. Thank you.